Alright, part 3. I just realized I made a small but mistake, if you will. I just realized that I painted the I rubberized the metal shunt. It's no problem, but it's not necessary. So I just removed it, and I'm gonna paint the rubberize the coil itself. So that's important. Now would be the time to paint the housing itself right here, but I don't know, I'm kind of in a bit of a hurry. I might just leave this for some other time. Yeah, I'll probably just leave it for some other time. Throw a bit of rubber on this the bottom of the shunts, maybe? Maybe not. Maybe clean out some of the rust.